Hi, Flower.
Hi, Marigold.
What you doing?
Watering my plants. Did you know there's a portal?
Really?
Yeah. I'm getting your outfit, man.
Are you serious? Who would do that?
No,
Anyways, where are we going?
I'm going for a ride.
Okay, but why?
My house just got exploded.
Well, I mean, the outside looks fine, but the inside...
Yeah.
Like, the windows are completely black.
You're gonna come with me and we're gonna go check out the portal. If we
Okay.
can find it.
Okay, I'm gonna go grab my skateboard.
Okay, come
And I
on.
keep it right in this bush.
Okay.
Alright, how do
let's
we
go.
do this? How do we do this?
I don't know. Let's see if we can find it, though.
Okay. I am so excited.
So am I.
What are you doing? I'm gonna slide
I
on you.
have to.
Taking a shortcut? Do
Yeah.
you ever miss your maid?
Where do we have to go to find this portal?
I don't actually know, Flower. I really don't.
Let's check out the gas station first, I guess.
Yeah, we're just gonna look everywhere, okay?
Okay. I forgot where the gas station is.
Oh, wait, I think I know. Follow me. I mean, how long have you actually... Like, I've lived here for, like, how many years now? Like, 4? Oh, I see it. I see the gas station.
What?
Flower, I see the gas station.
Oh, wait for me. I'm right here. Let's go.
So many things have happened throughout these 4 years since I moved in, right?
I've heard that there was a secret door somewhere around here.
Yeah, there might be. What?
Oh, button.
Are you gonna press them all?
Yeah, I'm press them all. Press. Door.
Okay, what are we supposed to do to get to the portal?
Honest.
Hold on.
I have a shovel.
I just found a short way out. I think.
What's this?
It's not a way out.
I'm gonna look around.
Okay. How long do we have to do this?
Until it turns 5, I guess.
It's 4 o'clock right now, Flower.
Yeah, I know. It's almost about to be 5.
Yeah, and it might be, it's either 5 or 6, right?
Okay, just keep digging.
Just keep digging, just keep digging, just keep digging.
Okay, it's 5.
Let's see. Okay, we think we have to wait. I think I have to wait till 6.
I got you.
Flower, stop. We have to focus.
The outfit's wet now. Run.
Flower, it's only fair that you stand still so I can get you. That's not
Okay.
fair. You can't do that. I got you!
Okay, let's keep digging.
We have to focus, yeah. We have to focus.
Just keep digging.
Just keep digging, just keep digging, just keep digging. It's almost 6, Flower! We're gonna do this. I I'm shaking. I'm so excited.
Me too.
Oh my goodness.
But then we might have to come back at AM. Yeah, it's not working. We might have to come back at AM.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Flower.
Yeah. Water. You went out wet. Oh,
I got you.
that's my turn.
Flash border fight.
I got you.
I got you too.
We both got each other.
I got you.
Scarecrow! Get the scarecrow! Nice, scarecrow.
Stop getting me wet.
No one cares.
No one cares about you getting wet. You must be wet.
Die! Die!
You must be wet, Scarecrow.
Die! Die!
Whoa!
Well, luckily I had another one.
Yeah, thankfully I have a backup too. Just keep splashing. How long are we gonna stay awake? We're getting him in his private parts.
The flower.
Marigold.
Marigold, guess what?
I know what you're about to do. I got you.
In it.
Splash fight, splash fight, splash fight, splash fight, splash fight. It's like going through us.
That's weird. Goodbye.
Bye. I'll see you. Wait, wake me up. Wake me up when we get, cause I'm getting tired. So wake me up when it's time, Flower.
I'm asleep in the hay. I'm asleep in hay.
Oh, you're sleeping in the hay?
Yeah.
So we're not going home to sleep tonight?
We're going to sleep in the barn.
We can't make it home in time, right? I'm gonna sleep over here. Wait, there's a note.
There's what?
There's a freaking note.
I'm going to sleep tonight.
Okay, I'll go sleep too.
Go upstairs.
Okay. And then is there any other hay up there?
Yeah.
Oh, right here. Good night, Flower.
Good night, Marigold. Did I turn small? Maybe it's her. Maybe it's Marigold. I'm gonna jump on her.
Oh, I have terrible dreams and stuff like that.
Oh my god, she's talking to this.
She's like,
That's so funny.
shut up, that's so silly.
Wait, I have an idea.
Ah, the s'more is so sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Ah, get it out of my mouth.
You punch yourself in the face.
Ah, ow. 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 What the heck? Guess there's nothing.
You kicked yourself in the face.
How you get? Oh man. Why do I keep getting hurts and stuff and like that? Probably nothing.
You grab your hair.
Ow! What keeps happening? Why do I keep waking up? I assume it's probably nothing.
You throw yourself off a balcony.
Ah! That felt so real. Why do I keep having these weird dreams?
You hit someone in the face. It's not working. Well, nothing's working anymore. What should I do? Ooh, I have an idea.
It's almost time. Oh man. It's almost time to get up. It's time to get up. Flower! my shovel down there. Let's go, Flower. Let's go. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Flower, Flower, it's time. Come on. Dig, 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 dig. Dig, 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 dig. Is anything working, Flower?
Hello, I'm a crow. I'm a crow. No, it's not working. Do you know how I got small, by the way?
How I buy a potion?
From where?
I don't know. From shop, I guess. I'm checking my home cams.
I'm a bonk you in the head. Bonk. You'll never catch me.
I'm gonna do my security
Try
cameras.
and catch me. Flower, try and catch me.
It's Marigold!
Well, I'm sorry, but try and catch me.
Alright, hold on. I gotta view on my cam, see if everything's okay. Oh no, it's raining!